Is your 2011 Ford F-150 key fob not working? Here are the most common fixes for battery and reprogramming issues. First, the simplest solution. Replace the CR2032 battery inside the fob. Pry it open carefully, swap the battery, and reassemble. If that doesn't work, the fob likely needs to be reprogrammed to your truck's PAT system. You can do this using Forscan software and an OBD2 adapter. Or, if your truck has My Ford Touch, use the vehicle's settings menu to reprogram the fob. Always disconnect the battery before working on electrical components for safety. For reprogramming with Forscan, download the software from its official source. Connect your ELM327 adapter to your truck's OBD2 port under the dashboard. Run the PAT's Relearn script in the software, following the on-screen instructions. This includes cycling the ignition key from off to on multiple times to sync the fob. If you have My Ford Touch, navigate to the settings menu on the dashboard screen. Select Vehicle, then Key Programming. Follow the prompts to erase old fobs and add new ones. If neither battery replacement nor reprogramming works, the keyless entry receiver module may be faulty. This module is often located under the dashboard or in the body control module. It might need professional replacement due to electrical faults. Always disconnect the battery before any electrical work and consult your vehicle's manual or a qualified technician for safety.